Hello, food enthusiasts, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something incredibly exciting to share with you. We're diving deep into the world of superfood legumes, exploring their nutritional benefits and versatile culinary applications. So, make sure you stick around until the end, because you don't want to miss this. Let's start by understanding what makes legumes such an incredible superfood. Legumes are a family of plants that includes beans, lentils, peas, and chickpeas, to name a few. They are not only delicious, but also packed with essential nutrients that promote overall well-being. To truly appreciate the power of legumes, let's take a closer look at their impressive nutritional profile. Legumes are an excellent source of plant-based protein, making them a perfect choice for vegetarians and vegans. They're packed with dietary fiber, aiding in digestion and promoting a feeling of fullness. The carbohydrates in legumes are complex, providing a steady source of energy without spiking blood sugar levels. Legumes are loaded with vitamins like B vitamins, folate, and minerals such as iron, magnesium, and potassium. They are low in saturated fat and can be a heart-healthy choice. Now, let's explore the health benefits that consuming legumes can offer. Weight management. The high fiber content in legumes helps control appetite, making it easier to manage weight. Heart health. Legumes can help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. Blood sugar control. They have a low glycemic index and can help regulate blood sugar levels, making them ideal for diabetics. Digestive health. The fiber in legumes supports a healthy gut and prevents constipation. Nutrient dense. Legumes provide a wide array of essential nutrients, contributing to overall health and vitality. Now that you know how good legumes are for your health, let's dive into their culinary versatility. Legumes can be used in an array of dishes, from soups and stews to salads, and even desserts. Before we wrap up, here are a few essential tips for cooking with legumes. Soaking. Most legumes benefit from soaking to reduce cooking time and improve digestibility. Seasoning. Experiment with various herbs and spices to enhance the flavor of your legume dishes. Versatility. Use legumes in a wide range of dishes, from traditional recipes to creative fusion cuisine. Sustainability. Legumes are eco-friendly, as they require less water and produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions compared to animal-based proteins. Superfood legumes truly are a nutritional powerhouse that can play a vital role in your diet. Whether you're looking to boost your health, try new recipes, or reduce your environmental footprint, legumes are an excellent choice. So, don't wait. Start incorporating these superfoods into your meals today. Now that you're excited to incorporate legumes into your diet, let's discuss various ways to enjoy them. Soups and stews. Legumes add heartiness and nutrition to your favorite soups and stews. Try a classic lentil soup or a bean chili. Salads. Legumes can be a fantastic addition to salads. Chickpeas, black beans, or edamame are excellent choices for added protein and texture. Hummus and dips. Make your own hummus or bean dip for a nutritious and tasty snack. Serve with fresh veggies or pita bread. Curries and stir-fries. Beans and lentils are versatile ingredients in many Asian and Indian dishes. They absorb the flavors of your favorite spices and sauces. Burgers and patties. Create delicious veggie burgers or patties using mashed legumes as a base. They're a great meat alternative. Roasted snacks. Roasted chickpeas or seasoned edamame make for a satisfying and healthy snack. Baking. Believe it or not, you can even use legume flours, such as chickpea or lentil flour, to add a protein boost to your baking recipes. Desserts. Legumes can be incorporated into desserts too. For example, black bean brownies are a unique and nutritious treat. Sides and accompaniments. Serve cooked legumes as a side dish, like a classic pot of beans or a delicious lentil pilaf. Remember, legumes are incredibly adaptable and can be customized to suit your taste and dietary preferences. So, don't hesitate to get creative and experiment in the kitchen. If you found this video informative and enjoyable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. And as always, if you have any questions or if there's a specific legume recipe you'd like to see, let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.